Hi beautiful igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back to watch me all the time, you're the real MVP. Thank you. So guys, let's just go straight into the video. In today's video, we're going to be learning another Igbo word today, another Igbo phrase today, and it's efele. Efere or efele, it means the same thing, it's just a dialect, it's just a dialect. Efele, efere. So guys, hope you stick around, watch this video, synchronize with me as I say, you say at the same pace. That will help you to improve on your Igbo vocabulary. And without further ado, let's go straight. Efele, efere, 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 plate. I'm going to make some sentences using this Igbo phrase word, efere. Efere nji eri nri epeka. 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 The plate I am using to eat is small. The plate I am using to eat is small. Efere ndị a mara mma. 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 These plates are beautiful. Efere ndị a jọrọ njọ. 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 These plates are ugly. These plates are ugly. Efere ndị a akụwala. 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 These plates are broken. These plates are broken. Efere ndị a garara ọnụ. Efere ndị a garala ọnụ. Efere ndị a garara ọnụ. Efere ndị a garala ọnụ. Efere ndị a garala ọnụ. Efere ndị a garara ọnụ. These plates are expensive. These plates are expensive. Efere ndị a garala ọnụ. Ego ole bụ efere ndị a? 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 Guys, please, if you've watched to this point, please kindly subscribe. Please kindly subscribe. Please kindly subscribe. Subscription is free. Kindly click on the red button and subscribe and turn on the bell notifications to be notified anytime I post a new video. On this video, this month, I am bringing videos every day back to back. Every day back to back, 5 p.m. I'm going to drop video in this month of November. Please guys, but your support is what I need. I have so many videos on my channel teaching Igbo language, so be assured, be 100% assured that you have come to the right channel, and I'll be giving you content back to back. Let's go further. Wete efere gị ugbu a. 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 Bring your plate right now. Bring your plate right now. Ugbu a is right now. Bring your plate right now. Let me put food for you. Buga efere ndị a ebe a ga-asa ya. 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 Take this plate to the place they will wash it, to where it will be washed. Take this plate to where it will be washed. Dọwa efere ndị a na tebụl. Dọwa efere ndị a na tebụl. You can also say dosa efere ndị a na tebụl. This also means the same thing. Dowe efere ndị a na tebụl. Dowe efere ndị a na tebụl. Keep these plates on the table. Keep these plates on the table. Onye risịa nri, o dowe efere ya na onwe ya. Onye risịa nri, o dowe efere ya na onwe ya. Onye risịa nri, o dowe efere ya na onwe ya. Onye risịa nri, o dowe efere ya na onwe ya. If you finish eating, you keep your plate yourself. Nobody's gonna take out your plate for you. When you're done eating, you keep the plate yourself with your hand. Iriche nri a, idosa or idowe efere gị na onwe gị. Period. If you finish eating, you keep the plate yourself. Anybody in your house helping this house, okay? Thank you guys for watching to the end of this video. If you've not subscribed yet, please try to do so. Remember, it's my channel, but it's your show, so feel free to put down in the comment section the videos you want me to watch. I also want to bring in vlogs on this channel, so put down in the comment section if it's okay by you, if you would love to see what my day looks like from time to time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.